Hi, welcome to the channel. It's just a quick little tool haul. I got this spray can tool, which is part number 116504. It turns a normal can into a spray gun. And I got this kilowatt meter by P3 International, which is actually name brand. And I don't think there's a... I don't see a part number on here. And then I got this circuit detector, which is HTP-6. It allows you to plug into a wall outlet and then identify the actual breaker. Yep, HTP-6. I got this 12-inch combination square set from Pittsburgh, which is part number 63688. Got this 4.5-inch diameter suction cup, which is part number 40993. And I got this 6-inch magnetic part holder for free. Let's see if there's anything else. I think there is. Yeah. And that's it. So please like, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.